seen it. Oh my gosh. Guys, I'm not lying. Scaly and James here. We seriously just heard a real noise, and it was like some bangs down in these woods, like someone like screaming or something. It's really scary because we're hearing cracking things, and she keeps on screaming, and we keep on hearing little kids like talking or something, and it's just really creepy. And look at this. It's like all disaster down here.
Okay. Now,
Freaky.
I'm going to tell you a story that happened a long time ago.
Yeah.
If you got, for those people out there who aren't really scared,
It's true.
it's true. I swear, it's true. I swear to God. But this is what happened a long time ago in like the 1900s, 1980 or something.
No, probably the 18.
18, I don't know.
But
But
anyways,
we're in these woods and stuff in California, and
I guess many people said that and plus there's writing on the wall, and it's like there used to be like this weird like.
okay,
boy
so
or
this is what
something.
happened. Okay, a long time ago, there was this boy. He was a teenager. He's like 14 or 15, I'm not sure. But there's this hill over there. I don't know if you can see it, but there's like a hill over there, kind of. And there's a skate park up there, kind of, somewhere.
We're
close.
pretty sure he probably got bullied.
Yeah, but this is what happened. There's a hill, and there's a bunch of kids he got bullied by those kids, and they pushed him down the hill,
And I think he was like all bloody or something,
and
he hung himself.
because there's a rope down
And
here
there's a rope
attached
down
the
here
tree.
attached to a really old tree back there. And you can find flip-flops down here
that are
and
bloody.
that are like bloody. No lie, they're bloody. And
We'll even show them to you.
Yeah, we'll even show them to you if you want. Next video maybe or something. If we can find them, but they're down here. And anyways,
Every time we come down here, we hear things.
like a train goes off every time we go down here.
One time, I was so scared that we were down here jumping. We were on the trampoline and stuff, and we were jumping, and it was like, I don't know, 7 or something, because it was a weekend, and it was dark out, and it was just there was this person walking who was like glowing,
like a light.
and then
No lie.
we went in
to
the
our
house.
parents' house, and my parents called the cops, and our moms even saw it.
Yeah, and then we called the cops. Well, not the cops, but like the cops that.
Yeah, our mom and dad saw it, and then they called the cops.
And the cop even came down here and looked. And no lie, it came back the next day. It always comes. What's that?